Lincoln Douglas Eagles. It's Mrs. Holtschlag, a 5th grade teacher at your school. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious snack. If you can make a grilled cheese sandwich, you can make this. It's called a peanut butter and banana sandwich. And you make it on the stove like a grilled cheese. So all you need is bread, butter, peanut butter, and a banana. Let's get started. If you are a younger student, you should probably still ask for a parent's help or permission before making this sandwich. So you butter the outside of the bread, like with a grilled cheese, and put it on the skillet. You want it at kind of a medium temperature so it doesn't burn or cook too fast. So you still have a couple other steps to do. And then your hands are going to get a little messy because there's butter on one side, but the peanut butter has to go on the other side. So you put butter on both pieces. And then you want to put some peanut butter on the inside. If you have a nut allergy, I apologize. But you could probably look for a variation. All right. And with the banana, you can cut it any way you like, but I think it's easiest if it's just in little circles. And you just put the little pieces of banana on your sandwich. Cover it all up. It's a little messy. And then you want to put peanut butter on the other side of your second piece. That way the sandwich doesn't slip and slide and fall apart any more than necessary. Again, you put the peanut butter pieces on the inside and the butter pieces on the outside. Check it to see when it looks like a golden brown color, and then you can flip it. Kind of like that, maybe a little bit more done. And after a few minutes, it's ready to eat.